How to download offline maps on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Map on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon over here. Then, select the Offline Map option from the menu. You'll notice that there are no offline maps downloaded. Now, tap on New. After that, select a region on the map. Set the size of the selected area in the map. Hit the Download button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the location to resume download. It will take some time to download the map. Once it's done, you can access all the routes of that selected region without any internet connection. So by following these simple steps, you can easily download offline maps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.